Hey guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how you can see street view of any public over on Google Maps. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open up Maps. Alright, so after opening Maps, locate to the location you wanna see the street view of. And in my case, I wanna see this street in New York. After locating the place, simply tap and hold on it. Then you will see that the location will get marked, and on the bottom left corner, you can see a picture has appeared. Just tap on it. Now you can see the street view of that location. So this is basically how you can see the street view of any place just using Google Maps. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching.